in there.
Which part of big you are going to fit in like this? Eh? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Rochelle.
And it's your girl Karley.
So as seen by the title down below, guys, we'll be doing an unboxing video, right? So I'll know the usual routine. Please remember to like, comment, share,
And subscribe to the channel.
yeah, and make sure that you turn on the post notification bell so you never miss an upload whenever time I post a video. Also remember to follow me on Instagram and remember to watch the ads, okay?
Yes, watch the ads.
Alright guys, so unbox the baby bassinet. Well, truth is me did want the pink, but however me not end up get that color, and me figure say, you know, probably them run out of that color, so me end up get a different color. But anyway, the greatest thing is that me get a bassinet, so the color not really matter, right? So as you all know, dengue is going around and stuff, and you know, I have to try my best to not make no mosquito bite the baby and stuff. So the bassinet will indeed be something that, you know, me can put the baby in, and then me not have to worry about no mosquito go bite her and stuff like that. So me and Chloe is gonna be setting up the bassinet. Hopefully it normally 2 away, although it's supposed to have the instruction part on it, right? So me only hope that give you a hard time setting it up. So me will just show you what take place, and then when it's set up, me will show you how it look, right? Yeah. So let's jump right into the video.
Yes, let's jump in right to the video.
Me say, let's jump.
In right to the video.
Let's jump
Let's jump
right into the video. Yes. Guys, let me tell you this. You see, through some of the time when I do intro, I talk extremely fast. So probably when me say something and she want to repeat, you know, so probably she now end up get free. You know, catch on to it so fast, cause some of the time I talk extremely fast, right? But I could just jump in the video now, and then we see if we can fix up this. Alright guys, so this is the bassinet. So this is how it will look, as you can see right here. So this is how it should look when it finished set up. So I'm gonna pull the box and then we start setting up.
Yeah.
Oh, heavy money, heavy. Heavy guys, you know, light. It's not light. Whew. Put them pants together. Alright guys, so this here mind me head.
Sorry.
And then there.
Really?
Okay, so as you can see,
Baby everything. That's so cute, mommy.
this Chloe, press everything. Push it down. Alright, go. Alright people, so this is the finishing result. So these are the mattress, and then as you can see the bassinet. Close it, Chloe. Right here. So this is it, guys.
Yes.
And this is an indoor and outdoor bassinet, so it can use inside and it can use outside. So as you can see, right down here, so it's like a storage. Like you know, if me bring the baby bag and stuff, me can like put that under there. So yeah, I like it. It's very spacious, and I hope the baby will indeed like her little bed. Well, honestly, like in here, so kind of like it's firm, but I don't think it is that soft.
That's soft.
Yeah, you know, really soft to me, as you can see. See,
It's soft.
it's firm, but it's not soft. So I don't know if eventually when I go put the baby in this year, I go put a blanket in there,
Let's put a blanket.
just to make it, you know, comfortable, more comfortable for the baby. And then I'm gonna put her little small pillow in there and then see how well she like it. So no know, so like if me like I move around the house or stuff, me can just move this and put the baby in there and she can eventually see me, so that way she won't feel lonely, right? Yeah, people. So yeah, I like this. Not gonna lie, I like it. I mean, like me used to the bassinet where you put on the bed, but this would be a lot more better. And you know, because me and Chloe used to sleep on one bed, so you know, through Chloe sleep bad, can't make Chloe sleep with me and the baby, because you know Chloe roll over on the baby or something. Don't want nothing wrong with the baby. So yeah, this will be the baby new bed. You like it, Chloe?
Yes, mommy.
Okay.
But I'm going to fit in there.
What? Which part of big you are going to fit in like this? Eh? Which part of you are going to fit in like this? You want pop down your baby bassinet?
No.
Alright guys, so this is basically the end of the video. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel.
Leave a like to the channel.
Leave a like on the video, not to the
Leave
channel.
a like to the video.
Leave a like on the video.
Leave a like on the video.
Come in the camera, okay? It's so short. Alright guys, so as I was saying now, so you know, say through dengue out and stuff, and like you know, mosquitoes tend to like breed in tin and you know around the house in container and stuff like that. Not saying that you know we don't like make sure that we take care of things that you know mosquito breeding sites can go in, but yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I like this. And I don't know, for some reason I think the baby will be able to use this until she like, I think she can use it until she all 1 year old, because it's big enough, it's very big enough. And as I say, it can use for indoor and an outdoor purpose. So it don't necessarily have to be just inside of the house. You can use it outside of the house the same way. So say for instance, you know, I'm probably outside and but I say no, I'm gonna put this in a sun or them something, because you know some people with extra. So I'm not say I'm gonna put this in a sun or anything, but like send me outside and like me hang out the clothes them, and like you know probably if the baby not sleeping or so, we can always put her in it, and then when we put her in it, you know, so me can, and you know when we put her in it, you know, me can like just cover it, because as I say, it can use outdoors. So yeah, I mean, I'm indeed like me indeed love it. I know say Chloe love it, so I just feel try the baby in it when she wake and see. I know when she asleep, try her in it and see how well she go adapt to it, because honestly true, like I normally sleep with the baby. It's true, I normally sleep with the baby, so I only hope like she get used to this as our own little bed. You know that way there? Yeah.
Yes.
So this is basically the end of the video, guys. So please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And leave a like to the video.
Leave a like on the video. Alright, guys. So it's your girl Rochelle and it's your girl
Chloe.
and we're out until another video. Bye.
Wind up your body. Never need a break if you want to show me out.